Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2018 Jaguar E PACE. So you can either click there on the home screen, or this arrow here, that's navigation to navigation. Then you've got petrol stations nearby. That's a postcode there. If I click on that, that takes me straight to it, and it also tells me I've got too little fuel. What we actually need though, is a new destination. So we'll click back there, and then we'll click these 6 boxes. Search places your destinations. Click search. I'll search offline. So we want P, the Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Hale Walton, Preston, PR, and then we want numbers. So over here on the right, change to numbers. And you do have to be careful if you're steadying yourself. I keep touching this bar at the bottom. So 5, 4, back to the alphabet, E, A, enter. There we go. Blackburn Road, Hale Walton, PR5, 4EA, 15 miles away. Click on that. It's looking for it, and now I click start. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.